Yeah. There's lots of puddles along here, so. Yeah. So don't want to get too low because don't want to get the camera in the water, but. Looks okay. I need to turn my ISO up. It's a bit dark. So I'm gonna use manual focus and then focus on the building. So use tap to focus. Looks okay. Photo there, but tap to focus there. This person there. See, I'll try it from this side as well. I can go down here. So I might be able to get in. Like that. You could use like these here to like frame the person, maybe. So got that. The water there, so reflections or through there maybe. I'll just get another one there. Yep, now I want to get one. The bookshop. Might have. Yeah, I'll just get some there. It's quite nice with like the leading lines. Got that tap to focus. Okay. The glass is broken there. So. Sure this is. Just getting a few. One off the mirror. It's very nice with all the lights in the background. Excuse me. And then just get a lay down shot like that. Looks nice. Don't want to get in your way. Looking down there. Okay, there we go. Yep.